Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to send and accept a friend request on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So you just got your new PlayStation 5 and you want to go ahead and accept friend requests. How would you go ahead and do that? Well, if you press the PlayStation button on your controller and then open up the quick menu and then go down to your game base and select X on this, then at the top you will have parties. If you go over with the D-pad to friends, you can view all friends and then you can go to the search icon right here. Let's select search for players. Now let's select search for players and go to my friend Action 6. Okay, now that I have their name typed in, I'm going to press R2 and then go over to their name and select it. So this is Action 6. This is my second account. Now at the top, it just says add friend. Let's go to add friend. Now it says they'll get a friend request from you. If you become close friends, you will see their real name on each other's profiles. So let's go to become close friends and go to send. Now an easy way to become friends with multiple people quickly is if you go to one of your friends list. Let's say it's someone you went to high school with and they have a lot of friends that you may know. You can easily go through their friends list on their profile and just start adding some people that you think you'd know. Instead of typing it in the search section letter by letter. Now another easy way you can add friends on your PlayStation 5 is if you go to the party section and go to the plus icon. Now at the top it says friends, but if we go to the right, we can go to play together. So if you recently played with someone you enjoyed playing with, you can go to play together, select their name and go over to OK. Then if you go to voice chat at the top, it will create a party. Then you would be able to select their profile and then you can go to add friend. So let's add friend and send them a friend request. So now that we sent a couple friend requests, how would we go ahead and accept this? Let's switch over to my second account right now and go to switch user and go to Action 6. And I'll show you how to accept the friend request. So let's press the PlayStation button again and open up the quick menu. Now let's go to game base and then go over to friends and go to view all friends. Then at the top it says friends. If we go to the right, it says friend requests. So here we have my friend request I just sent. Timbo Slice, YourSixStudio. Let's go to accept. And I'll accept these other friend requests too. So that is how you send and accept a friend request on your PlayStation 5. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.